Hey guys, welcome to the second video of Declutter Your Life series. You can find the first video link in the description below in case if you missed out. By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Richa. Welcome to my channel. I make videos on personal growth and lifestyle design. I hope you subscribe and stay with me on this journey. We just try to keep a very loving and supportive space here. So in this video, I'm going to share few tips on decluttering and organizing your closet and shoe rack in the KonMari way. The KonMari way is a method of decluttering and organizing by Marie Kondo, and she wrote the book of life-changing magic of tidying up. Before we get into this, I want to share that it's not a beautiful process. It's not easy for me to show my mess to the world, but you know what? I'm okay with that. I just want to be honest and share my journey, and hopefully it will inspire and empower some of you to live a clutter-free life and be happier with a new lifestyle, because a clear space equals a clear mind, and minimalism is a journey. It's not an immediate process. There is always room to grow and more to declutter. So do it at your own pace. And with this, let's begin. Just a quick tour of closet. I have these tops. Most of them I need to declutter because I don't wear them. This side I have some Indian wear like dresses and kurtis. On the other side I have some jackets and stuff. For those of you who don't know, the first step of KonMari method is to remove all of the items from their usual storage and place them in a pile to sort through. And hopefully my life will change again after tidying this time. Then you have to pick up each item one by one in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it makes you happy, keep it. If it doesn't spark any joy, then put it in the discard pile. Make sure that you hold the item in your hand, because your body will react to an item when you touch it, rather than when you just look at it. It's a bit tedious process, but that's how you make sure every item you own is valuable and important to you. You know how some clothes are a waste? Like you buy them and then you never really wear them, and you just keep it because you think that you will wear them someday, but you don't. So this is my discard pile. To be honest, these dresses are mostly sentimental dresses. My mom stitched it for me, so I think I'll be keeping most of these. As you discard your things, thank them and bid them farewell. Each thing you have has helped you, supported you, or served you in some purpose of your life. So whether a dress used to make you beautiful or a pair of pants taught you what did not look good on you, you should appreciate your things. Thank them for what they have done for you in your life and let them go. This is the final look of my closet. These many clothes I have discarded, and I'm so proud of myself. That's all I could do at one time. I spent the rest of the day reading and catching up on just a lot of things that I have been meaning to catch up. So do it at your own pace. Today I will clean the rest of the shelf and drawers. Manoj will be cleaning his side on his own, as he doesn't want me to touch his stuff. Alright, so now we are moving on to folded clothes. This section is about the PJs and workout clothes, which is completely in a mess. So let's get into it. Honestly, I love PJs and workout clothes because I love comfortable clothes to lounge around in. That's really my priority. And fold your clothes vertically and store them vertically so that you can see everything at one glance. Each item will stand up almost like an envelope rather than keeping flat. And it's easy to remove an item of clothing without pulling out everything else. So this is the KonMari way, which takes very less space. Let me quickly share with you her way of folding clothes. Lay the t-shirt face down on a surface. Imagine a line going down the center of the shirt. Now fold both sides of the shirt into meet that center line. Fold the sleeves back neatly. Take the bottom of the shirt and fold it to meet the top. Now visually cut the shirt into 3 parts and fold upwards along those lines. The folded shirt should be able to stand vertically on its own. She calls this the sweet spot. Store your shirts vertically like this. Now fold your pants in half with the back pockets facing out. Bring the bottom of the legs to meet the top and visually cut the pants into 3 parts. Wow! Now let's fold a hoodie. Because it is thick, so I don't fold all the way to the center line. Fold the sides just shy of the center. Now fold the sleeves neatly. Repeat on the other side. Fold the hood up and flatten it. Tuck any strings in the hood. And now visually cut the hoodie into 3 parts. And here it is, his sweet spot. Now let's do socks. For ankle socks, place one socks on top of another and fold into 3 parts. For mid-length socks, fold into 4 parts. And yeah, that's how you can save space. After keeping all of these back in the closet, here is the final look. I feel like I got rid of 35 to 40% of the clothes that I had in my closet, and that's huge for me. Now let's move to shoes. You can see a complete mess over here. We will declutter this and give a complete makeover to this space. So you know the drill. Remove all the items from their usual storage and place them in a pile to sort through. We have to repeat the same process of asking, does this spark joy? And if it is, then keep it or else donate or discard. After sorting all the shoes, I'm gonna keep the shoes which really sparks joy in my life. Now let's clear the drawer. There are random things and a few important bills which we did not file because of Corona. We leave any paper things here for a few days. I'm giving just a nice wipe. And I'm using these boxes to store things as it looks more organized in this way. So in this drawer, I'm keeping our necessary items like shoe polish, gloves, and extra box of disposable masks. Now let's clean the top part. Again, take everything and go through everything one by one. Give it a nice clean and let's add a few things which sparks joy. I am making a small mask area because this is our new normal and this is a DIY from an old slate which we don't use anymore. Keep a sanitizer bottle close by so you can easily sanitize your phone, keys, doorknobs, light switch and other high-touch areas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and decluttering with me to give your space a fresh start. And if you're following this video, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram #DeclutterYourLife series. We'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.